Welcome to the new series I'm creating to introduce you to the world of programming, and I'm so excited to help guide you on your journey. You don't need to be a math genius or a college graduate to get started in programming. It's much more approachable than you probably think it is. It's not just typing in ones and zeros all day. Many programmers, professional programmers, actually got started as teenagers. And there's a lot of professional programmers that don't have formal educations doing this. Nowadays, there's actually a lot more resources available to you if you want to get started in programming. And in fact, you can start at even younger ages. I've seen people start at 5 or 6. And you can do this through programming languages that don't even require typing. You can drag and drop blocks on your iPad to build your own games and things like that. And you can also control electronic devices like the MBot or Sphero using the Scratch programming language. If you're interested in the Scratch programming language, you want to take some tutorials, or you'd like to learn how you control a Sphero or something like that, check the description below for some links. In this series, I'll be introducing you to programming through building Minecraft add-ons using the JavaScript programming language. And JavaScript is actually a widely used language for a number of things. You can use it on the back end using things like Node.js, and it is also what runs on the client side in the browser and what provides most of the interactions that you have with a browser. Each week, we'll walk through any concepts and code that we need to complete the task for that week. We'll start out by modifying existing entities and items so that they do really creative things. We'll modify their behavior. We'll create our own recipes, things of that nature, and then we'll start modifying the way things look. We'll move into creating our own items and entities, and once we've built this foundation, then we'll start working on building an add-on our own add-on from start to finish. The entire series will be done live so that you're able to log on and interact and ask questions and provide feedback and contribute ideas to our add-on. Do you have ideas for what our add-on should do? Are there programming or technology questions you struggle to understand as a newcomer? Please drop me a comment below so that I can create videos for you. Remember to subscribe and to hit the notification bell so that you'll be alerted when we go live. I look forward to seeing you Friday.